Yeah, abalabi abalungi aba TT Television sanyuse nnyo okubalaba mwe bali kwekuumira ku TV yaffe Enganzi ng'era mulaba show yammwe Tina Turner reality show nange omuweereza wammwe Tina Turner the flower. Yes, nakugamba we mba ntudde nga luli lwakunda saawa munanda when I just sit, don't touch your remote, toseguka. If you're on your phone, just stay on your phone. Tosagasagana tugamba ate kankebereke na ate kankebereke ogenda kusubwa ebintu bingi zenzija n'ebintu ebinene ate kati nakomyewo mu nkuba mpya nkuleetera abantu abanene abagenda okuyigiriza abagenda okusomesa abantu abakolamu bana abakulakulana. I love to be with these people because nange njagala okulakulanako nga bo. Yeah, greetings to my mother in US webale kuntunda. She's my #1 fan Tonyiga. She loves me so much and tunde yo namba zungu nzani amanyikidwa abazungu. Thank you my mom Mutese Fatuma for doing that great job. Nja kwebaza nnyo bannanga abanyambazaako abatina fashions mwe bale kunyambaza mwe bale kundabisa bulungi ate era nebazeeko Batina Beauty Parlor bankola akaviti bankola ka makeup. Evelyn, you're doing a very great job. You're not jolly ogyondabira kuba nkumanyi nawe oli #1 fan wange. Jondabira yonna we bali babikunyiriza we bali kundabisa bulungi basangibwa Nateete Mackay Road. If you want them, call them on 0776 28 29 53. Kasito kuba kweye namba manyi ogenda kufaanana Nganzi. Yeah, sijja kwerabira still kutumirako abantu banga bali ku camera aba creative media mwe balikola kifaananyi kirungi bambi print yo njagala muzigo mukinkubira neyanziza nnyo neyanzeege Saidat Boom Hotel webale nnyo kumbeerera webale kundaba oyo yatuninga kuba n'akasimu wayi musanvu kitundu tunaatera neyanziza nnyo neyanzeege webale kunjagala webale kubeerawo nja kuba ngendako mu bulango bwa bakama bange katono ate bwe nkomawo n'omugenyi omubede ono muzito bayidawe muzito nawuliddeko oba director oba sinamutegeera bulungi ajja kunnyonnyola biki byakola but when I come back nkomawo naye mu style ate mpya kanveeko mu bulango.
Omukyala yino w'omulembe saluni yokka giyeekwata yeye Tina Beauty Parlor tuyota abakyala ne balabikira ddala bulungi nnyo ne bakubuza plastic surgery gye gikolera tusiba obuviiri obwa buli ngeri oyagala weave braids pencil oba oyagala ku stylinga buli style etugikola ate tukamukola makeup oba ogenze kubisa mujja omutindo anti ovaawo nga mumbejja gwe alina omukolo twekwate Tina Beauty Parlor tusomesa abaana okusiba enviiri saako okukola makeup ate nga bavaawo nga bafunye creativity okwetandikirawo emirimu gwe atwetaaze tusangibwa Nateete Mackay Road okuliraana Sibyangu Hotel oba tukubireko ku 0754282953 oba 0776282953.
Yeah, welcome back from the short break. Mukenya omulango bwa bakama bange obwo buyitawo munanga bwe papa tebantadde mu ssente wano situulawo. Yes, nyongera okubebaza mwena abakadyegattako ngamba TT Television mwebale nnyo okugyekumirako. You're most welcome to Tina Turner reality show nango omuweereza wo Tina Turner the flower nabagambye nkomawo n'omugenyi omunene nno ng'ate munene ddala. Omanya gabana abagenyi gannemu okwogera ng'era mumanyi baba olumu baluzungu nnyo amanya gaabwe gaba nga toyina bw'oliyisa na mukama but I'm going to give him a chance atubuulireko yaani akola biki bamuyitaani n'ebiringa ebyo nange nyongera okumutegeera nawuliddeko kamu mu director. Yes, you're most welcome to TT Television. And the platform is yours. Talk to the viewers and people who are seeing. By the way, this is a reality show. Abantu bali waneno batulabe ebyaddala bwoba omisinze. You inbox me or inbox the manager. Olulalo twegatako nga tukwata shows zino tubeerawo n'abantu ebyaddala. This is a reality show. Talk to the people abali n'abatulaba ku TV. Wani okola biki osangibwawo tusobola okutegeera.
Thank you Tina Turner for inviting me for the show. Hello to all the audience, the online and even the in-house. My name is Morris Olwit. The other name that people know me is Morris Gray. I'm married to one wife all the time. It's a lady, not a guy. And I have my three beautiful children, 2 boys and 1 girl.
Wow.
And what's the other thing? I'm a director, Momo Cancer Foundation, and also Kenosha Events as well.
Wow, omugenyi mumuwulidde. I'm loving this show so much. Nzendina director one. Is an event.
Events manager.
Is an events manager. Hey, director ate manager.
Yes, I think.
Naye ate yagambye mufumbo bannange ne babatu wadde akanamba temukuba. Temumukubira kubanga is marriage ate ku mukyala omu bwati. Okay. Ono teyeetagayo mbu ate ndi musiraamu ndi ate ati nedda basista bannange munatusonyiwa mufumbo ku mukyala omu bwati. I have some few questions for you. As an event manager, please tell us about yourself. Ku event wali otubulidde Morris amalala sijabuulira gajja kunnema. So as the event manager, talk about it.
Yes, as an event manager, it's good to always interact with people, know people, and as a manager, my role as a manager is to coordinate, plan, you know, and also evaluate the event as well, and make sure that the event actually meets the purpose, the reason why we have had the event.
Okay.
Yes.
And among all the business who are under your events, so do you advise someone out there to come na kwegatako oba na creating your business in the Langaya event?
I think it's a good thing. That is if you have the passion for the event. If you don't have the passion, then I would recommend you don't try it. Because there are so many hurdles. It's a beautiful thing, but if you don't know it, then you become, as in if you don't have a passion for it, then it becomes hard for you to pull it off. But otherwise, it's a very good thing.
Okay, that is so good. This event thing to the cha corona. That's what I think. Because the sanyo Luganda nabaga mama nge tamanyi luzungu. Ate omugenyi wa luzungu. Kati mama ngo okunfuna obulungi. Man no kwetsalu no rafe. Okay. Mu biseera bino ebya corona byatusumbuwamu teri kabaga, teri kachi. How have you managed okubeera nga mwe at least you're standing oba nawe wabivaamu dda?
Okay, I didn't like leave per se that I'm leaving the events world. No, I just took a pause because when COVID came, it actually hit us more. You know, someone who has been in an industry would totally tell a different story of COVID from his point of view. Me as an events person, at the point of the time when COVID came in, that was around 18th of March last year.
Yeah.
That is when we were actually planning for a mega event in town. It was going to be a gospel event because me, I basically do gospel events.
Wow.
Yeah. So we are going to do a gospel event and we actually plan to have an artist come on board, an international artist, whose name we are putting it in quotes. We are not going to mention the name. We shall unveil at the right time when we know COVID is done and it's totally open for us to come and do the event. But we just took a leave from that time of COVID up to now because it's hard. We are not having audiences anymore. People are either people have gone back to the village or maybe some have passed on, even the sponsors as well. Because for you to have a successful event, there should be sponsors. It's money related. So you can't walk to someone and tell them, hey, I'm doing this event towards this, and can you come and support us? It's crazy because you will not have ample time to prepare to do all these things. And even now, all the venues that people would think about is all closed. But we have not just sat back. We are doing smaller events compared to the big events that we have had. We are doing birthday parties. We are doing wedding launches. We are managing bridal showers and all these kind of things. So those are the things that we are nowadays working on as we wait and believe God that time will come when we shall do the bigger events again and have audiences in big stadiums and what have you. Yes.
Okay, that is so good. I may say sorry about what happened. Fena COVID yatunyiga, ate fe yatunyiga. Me I literally went back to the village. Nadayo, enkumbi nenjikwata. Byanjalo twabirima ne tubirya kasoli twamulima byatutukako mu COVID. Si birungi, but at least for you you're doing birthday parties and those simple weddings. I think temwanyigirizibwa nnyo ate nga fa bagenda paka yiri eridde. Andi banzala wala sijja kwogerayo munansonyiwa. Yeah, like tebyabayisa bubi nnyo. You said you're a director. You're a director of an organization, your own company, like tulambululireko kaawa abantu bali eyo baagala emirimu so baagala okumanya director in what.
Yes, thank you, Tina. I'm a director for 2 organizations. One of them is one of the passions that God has given me. That is the Momo Cancer Foundation.
Wow.
And then the other one is the Kenocha Events. Why both? I know someone may ask me why both. Yes. When I left active employment, that was about 2015. You know, I kept asking God, what do you want me to do? By the way, I'm a born again.
That is what?
And my mother church is Watoto Church. So when I left, when my contract ended with Watoto, so I kept asking God, what exactly do you want me to do? Do you want me to go back and into active employment, or do you want me to go and do ministry out there? Getting. So then when I took time to hear from God and what have you, then he told me, the voice that came was not a familiar one. He came and told me, Maurice, you know what, I want you to go and do cancer. And I was like, what is cancer? How am I going to start? My mother has never suffered from cancer. I don't have anyone who has suffered from cancer. Maybe they're passed on or maybe they're living. Then I said, fine, I need to hear it again. Until one day when I went to some fellowship, and one of the visiting preachers came up and said, I know there's someone here called Maurice. God is speaking to me that you are going to do a charity organization. That charity organization is going to touch the lives of people who are suffering from cancer. It was specific. And I was like, okay, fine. I think I also heard this before, but I didn't know it that much. Then he said, okay, so don't worry, God will support you. So I sat back, I said, fine, let me wait. And for me, looking at my background and what have you, things to do with the prophecy was not my kind of thing. So I sat back, I said, no, I need to listen to God, you know, let him speak again. So when that came up, then I said, fine, I took my 3 days off, Esther fast. That is, for people who don't know, Esther fast is you take 3 days off without water and food for 3 days.
You wait. Without water and food?
Yes.
When you have water and food in stock, or why you don't have food?
When food is there, but you just deliberately don't take water, you don't eat food, but you stay.
Wazali woli mulokole kwa ebintu emmere weri ate mbwa I'm taking not food na kusatu. Banange abatali kutegera lulimi luno nze bitsobedde mbuya asiba ye na kusatu ngatali atanya choke emmere weri.
Yes. When you
were you born again?
When I was born again, no. I got born again in 1998 when I was in senior 2. You're getting?
Yeah.
So, when you have a passion for certain things and you have a passion for God, He will always take you through. I know people ask this question, how do you do it when you don't eat, you don't drink, yet after 2 minutes in Papu water, and you're always asking, you're getting? But still, when you have a passion for certain things, surely God will give you the strength to handle.
Wow.
You're getting. So I took my 3 days prayer. First it was Wednesday evening, then Thursday, and then Friday towards the end at about 2 a.m. That's when God talks to me.
After
and it was in a
3
dream.
days, eh?
In the third day.
Okay.
So he talks to me and tells me, Maurice, look, I know you're scared of doing these things, but I want you to go and take care of my children. That is when the cancer thing came up. Now, I'm trying to link the two between cancer and the event. So then I said, fine, now how am I going to pull up in terms of resource mobilizations and all these things? So, because I had a background in events, because when I was still working at Watoto, part of my functions was organizing events. So church functions in terms of the Sunday celebrations, that people come in, you find that you've organized the place. Then we used to also organize birthday parties. We were part of the big planning also of big artists that would come to the country. People like, what's his name, Israel Houston, that came some time back, who were part of the organizing committee, and we kind of got an idea of how we can do this. So then when I said fine, I think I will see how I can juggle through and make these things happen. So events come in, I was like, okay, now I think for me to pull off this, most of the time that you can do and maybe try to raise resources is through events. Because trust me, when you walk on Kampala Road and I tell them, guys, I need money to support a cancer person, they will not give it to me. They will tell you, no, I'd rather buy for you water to keep going to the hospital. But me saying, you know what, let me write a concept. let me try to get something straight and have this running. That's when Kenocha Events comes in, and I was like, I think we need to have an events company that runs parallel to the organization, that feeds into the organization, that everything that we do in terms of organizing the events, planning for it, and what have you, should help us link us to the organization. Yeah. So that is how I become like double, how do they call that? Double director. Kenocha Events and also the Cancer Foundation.
Cancer Foundation.
Yes.
Wow, that is so great. Me, I'm learning many things from you. You know very well. Abantu baffe bamanyi Uganda. Omwami ono abadde atunyumizaako byajja bitya byakola bitya naye kyemuyigiddeko kimu nti muntu eyesiga Katonda, like bw'obanga weesize Mukama, he goes further n'asiiba n'okusiiba ate n'okusaba n'asaba. Ekyo nkikopye naye oba nkisobola. I don't know whether I can go without food when I can see it in Gwemere area, but I I thank God I'm a Catholic. But I've learned something from you, trusting God. People who are around here, nobody abatulaba. Boba wesize Katonda ate n'omuteekamu ekintu kyo. I think it works so much. Omwami ono yesiga Mukama n'amulaga byamulaga n'asaba n'asiiba. Era Katonda nayongera omulaga ate n'amuwa n'engeri ki gy'alina okwasaganya ekintu kye ekya cancer. So in case omuntu yenna alina ekibuuzo ku cancer, I think is the right person okubuuzaako n'atubuulira abikola atya n'ebya event. Abalabi bange abalungi benina waneeno bananga abali ku line have no way of letting you ask him a question, but as you're commenting kibuuzo ejja kimuddiza ajja kuwa answer. But people who are around here, I want you to ask him anything. Njagala mumumbulizeeko ebibuuzo mu event size mu cancer n'ebiringa ebyo. Ya waliwo omukono awo. Okay, baba kulaba mu film oba mu kazanyo ga stage oba. Yeah, you know you have to said so things everywhere bityo kati omukyala munyonyola ayagala joining oba oli director wa film oba otukolira.
I don't, thank you very much. Evelyn?
Yeah, she's called Evelyn.
Yes, Evelyn. Thank you very much for the questions. I don't direct films per se, but I manage the events around the film industry. Yeah, so I kind of give my time out to just go and support, now like my sister Rachel, or go and support her with marketing, go and support her with any other kind of resource, you know, even prayer-wise, because for you to put up an event that is up and is running, just like this one, you need a spiritual backing as well. Mm-hmm. Otherwise, what I know and what I believe is life is spiritual. It's
Morris, this woman wants to join the movie industry.
So I can recommend you to someone who one of my close friends, because I have so many movie directors. I can recommend you to them, and we see. But we are based at National Theatre when we are doing the movies and what have you, the planning processes. But for my address, I'm in Boyogere. We are in Tinda, then we shifted back to Boyogere.
So how are we helping this lady? She wants to be in the movie industry. Direct her to someone who can help her join the industry.
I think after the show she can stick around and we do it and we direct.
I'm thinking someone is online and has the same question and has no access to talk to you after that show.
Really?
Yeah. So we need an answer.
Okay, fine. You can always come to National Theatre every Tuesday afternoon. We are always there for the planning.
Let us get a break and then we shall be back with like such answers. I think let him first think. We to come now after he will be with answers and how to find him. Let us be back. That's your remote. No, bagenze n'ekibuuzo waliwo omukyala yalabako mbuno Morris azanya firimu nze nange simulabangako oba azanya stage oba film simanyi omukyala yabadde abuuza ajoininga atya movie industry bambi alabika ajagala ate I'm thinking many are online and have such questions. So Morris, I want you to tell these people where to find you on online business or back Facebook. Like me, you stream live on YouTube. Tina Tana da Flower. Show vero jirimu muma kati dala kati bwe. Tukufuna tutia.
We are always on Tuesdays at National Theatre.
Okay.
And then just in case you want to call, we could actually give you my number as well. People who are interested. But you can also get me on Facebook, my Facebook page, Morris Gray. Just type there, Morris Gray. You'll actually see some of the things that I really do. And my number, I give my number on air, off air, I don't know.
I don't know, you say, first and foremost, was say no back you tap, married and only one. But your number is lower, you can give them. They will control themselves. You know it, such that when someone reaches National Theatre, ajana kulaba, hello Morris, nakulaba ko Kutina Tana reality show, and number no jigaba. I want to join this. Maybe you can give them the number.
Okay, my number is 0705 744 370. I don't know whether you've gotten it. 0705 744 370. And then also the MTN is 0772 322 499.
Yes, that is Morris, and that is how we. If you want Morris, what we know more for now. Facebook page, ajibabulidde. Nabagambe ebintu ebimu sibyogera nnyo. Morris is something. Morris Gray. Facebook omufuna. Which other mukutu kwe bakufunira apart from Facebook?
No, I think for now it's that.
Yeah, for now you can get Morris in that. Bana imumweyunire manager mulamba director nze mbeera gwe nyanguwa ne mweyunira nabagambe njaba letera abantu abatuwongerako abatuwa emirimu abatugaziyagaziya okitegeera. I wanted you to like obasiibuleko obatumireko otumireko abantu obasiibuleko tulabike nga tuva wano majja g'ekyemisana nze nazo nga sinnalya sawa ziri mu mekato. I don't know. Hey, someone has a question for you, Morris. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Well, you have Morris talking about the foundation of cancer. I sent the nyingi as they come home. What if nobody was
Thank you so much. We've not got your name.
I'm called Chisitu.
He's called Chisitu. Hey, those Chisitus are my clanmates. Baba Baganda Bange. Yeah, I'm also a Fumbe person. Wow, I'm glad to meet you, Chisitu. Okay, can you answer that guy? Bakunganya bakansa kuchalo bakuletere ku National Theatre. But kole batya mukama wange.
Chisitu, thank you very much for your question. I don't have all the money that I need, but I just have a passion to support people who are suffering from cancer. That is my passion that God has put in me. So the reason why I also brought in the other bit of the events is we normally do fundraising drives. Okay. Yeah. So we do fundraising drives to write proposals to organizations that have corporate social responsibility budgets, and then we tag them along what we are doing. Why that is because we realize, just like I said, that in most cases someone cannot wake up in the morning and say no. The person will tell you, I'd rather put this mutwaro or maybe an artist performing. Because you have had a couple of performances at either National Theatre or maybe some other venues, whereby the funds that come out of that is towards supporting people that have cancer. You're getting? Yes, so of course after doing all the operational costs and whatever, then we get money which is strictly meant for cancer. So we go to organizations that have corporate social responsibility budgets, and then we talk to them, we share our passion. I know NTV has been a blessing to us as well. Sorry to mention it on your show.
It's
but
okay.
There have been a supporting factor to us, Power FM, and many other people, which they really bless my heart. Because with our home in Boyogere, we try as much as possible to reach out to different people and try to see how can we support the people suffering from cancer. So the money that people come and pay at either the reception or maybe at the venue, it's the money that we use to support the people with the cancer. You're getting? So what we do at the foundation, we basically do the planning, and the execution as well, and then that is the events. And then the other bit of it for the cancer, we basically give them accommodation, people who come from up country, then we give them free meals. We give them, but the accommodation is also free. Then we also transport them back and forth to the hospital when they are done. That is Uganda Cancer Institute. When they're done, then from there we do what? We send them back home.
Thank you, Maurice. You do a very, very, very great job. Unjagade Maurice. Take a more. You can clap very well that Maurice can hear you. Maurice, this takes someone alina good heart okugamba kangende nonye organization chene yamba kanonye no kanenyono banaite tutemu munonyeza bakansa baleta because naye alina ebitongole ebimuyambako okulaba nti ayambako abakansa. Maurice, can you like send greetings? Kulemerako simple greetings such that we can leave this place.
Okay, I send greetings to all people who know me. I want to mention names because I know I have so many people who know me, including my children and wife, and Rachel. And also Tina Turner as well.
That was loud.
Yes. And also Tina Turner as well.
Okay.
Thank you very much for hosting me. I hope my visit in this studio was actually a blessing to someone out there.
Amen.
So in case you have any other questions about the events, things, and what have you, kindly call me. I shared my numbers before. And just get in touch with me. We shall see how we can help you. If you have an event that you feel it's giving you headache to plan, kindly give us a call as well. We shall sit down. We shall not charge you for consultation. We have a good heart towards seeing you people thrive. For young people who are trying to, get to the events world, feel free. My numbers are there. I've shared with them. Tina actually can also share as well on her Facebook page. And thank you.
Yeah, we welcome Maurice Gray. It has been a pleasure meeting you, and I would say I greet you, all the people online, all people who are seated here, people who love me, to mention but a few. You love me so much. Thank you, Asha and Felix, for loving this show and being there for us. Can I say, let me meet you next time, next Thursday, next show. I love you all. Bye-bye.